Okay, stop for a second. Think about the last song that gave you chills, the last painting that made you feel something, the last story that stayed with you long after it ended. Now ask yourself this. What happens when the thing making you feel all of that is not human? Would that change how you see it? Because that is not some future problem anymore. It is already happening, quietly, right in front of us. And most people still have no idea how fast it is moving.
For a long time, we treated creativity like the one thing machines could never touch. Music, art, writing, film, that was supposed to be ours. These things came from emotion, from memory, from lived experience, from being human. But then AI started making images. At first, people laughed. The hands were wrong, the faces looked broken. It was easy to ignore. Then it got better. Then it got good. And now, AI-generated art is being sold, shared, and talked about like real creative work. So the question is no longer, can it make art? The question is, what does that mean for us? If an AI-generated painting makes you feel something real, does it matter that no human felt it first? Music was supposed to be safer. Emotion turned into sound. That felt uniquely human. But now, AI is composing full songs, full scores, even full albums. And people are listening. Some of them do not even know it was AI. So here is the uncomfortable part. If the feeling is real, does it matter who made it? Writing is already everywhere. Marketing, summaries, scripts, even full articles. And yes, AI does not understand heartbreak. It does not feel loss. It does not know what grief is. But the audience does. The reader brings the emotion. So what happens when the words that trigger that emotion were generated by a machine?
That is why so many artists are nervous. And honestly, that fear makes sense. Because this is not just another tool. This is the first time a machine has entered the creative process, not just as an assistant, but as something that can create on its own. But there is another side to this. Every time a new creative technology showed up, the camera, recorded music, the printing press, people said it would kill art. It did not. It changed it. Maybe AI is doing the same thing. Maybe the artists who survive this will not be the ones fighting it. Maybe they will be the ones learning how to use it well.
The truth is probably somewhere in the middle. AI will not replace everything human, but it will replace the generic work, the fast work, the disposable work. And maybe that forces the rest of us to go deeper, to make things that feel more real, more personal, more human. So I will leave you with one question. When AI can generate anything, any image, any song, any story, what does creativity actually mean? Drop your answer below and subscribe to Behind the Scene, because this conversation is only getting started.